Welcome back. Now news from sports. Kingfisher East Bengal played some superb counter-attack football to overcome league leaders Dempo Sports Club in round 9 of the I-League. A Clifford Miranda tap-in early on gave the Goa side the lead, but East Bengal's Oji Pen and Tolgai Osbe combined up front and systematically clawed their way back into the match. Dempo lacked the midfield play as the match wore on and East Bengal capitalized. After this result, a mere 2 points separate the top 4 teams in the I-League.
East Bengal have the legendary past and Dempo are the Gen Next heroes of Indian football. Hence, there is always a special atmosphere surrounding the Dempo EB match. Dempo looked in complete control at East Bengal's backyard as some lovely skills displayed by Godwin Franco set up fellow Goan Clifford Miranda to give the Blues an early lead.
Well. They looked to the linesman. It was lovely skill from Godwin.
But thereafter, East Bengal methodically clawed their way back into the match. Not to say Dempo played poorly, but East Bengal were playing just that much better football on the day.
Again on left side, good ball in, goal opportunity as well. It's so.
Oji Pen made Dempo pay for not clearing their lines in the 31st minute with this header.
Oji, chance as well. Osbe, Oji, it's a goal. They've concocted an equaliser.
While 10 minutes later, Oji set up East Bengal's Australian son Tolgai Osbe to make it 2-1 for the hosts. Dempo were behind as both teams went into the first half break.
Here's Oji looking for Osbe, real chance now, great tackle, but Osbe's going to score. He got the rebound.
The second half failed to see any goals, but both teams created enough chances for themselves. The match ended East Bengal 2, Dempo Sports Club 1. Meanwhile, after Sporting Club de Goa were left stunned by Air India in the I-League on Wednesday, this is what Sporting coach Ekendra Singh had to say.
Not only disappointed, very disappointed. We lost the match. It is not the downfall. You also could see the match. We missed many chances, and our boys who could control at the middle part of the pitch.
His counterpart Santosh Kashyap was quick to state his team converted all their chances.
No, it was, I believe, 2-1, but they played well and they also missed chances and we convert chances. I told you yesterday that we are playing well but not converting chances.
With Bureau Inputs, a reporter from Madgaon, Mayur Naik.
Goa Cricket Association's brainchild christened the Goa Professional League is set to get into its 3rd edition. But Goa Cricket Association are left with the task to gather teams for the tournament. 4 out of last year's 6 Goan teams have confirmed participation, but Mecquac Fabricators and Sarvodaya Royals have not reverted to the organisers yet. GCA Secretary Prasad Fatharpekar told Prudent that talks are on with a Bangalore-based Zorbian group who have promised to enter 2 of their teams.
GCA Secretary Prasad Fatharpekar told Prudent that Mecquac Fabricators and Sarvodaya haven't pulled out of the tournament yet and are yet to confirm.
For the last 2 seasons, we had 6 teams. As usual, we have returned to all the 6 teams calling for a confirmation. We haven't received confirmation from Sarvodaya Royals and Mecquac. That is true. We are initially we are negotiating with a group which is based in Bangalore. They have promises 2 teams if everything works out. And simultaneously, keeping the importance of the tournament, we have sold these 2 slots. We advertise in the papers. There are 2 GPL slots in Goa. Anybody interested can apply.
However, Fatharpekar told Prudent that GCA is trying to pursue Mecquac and Sarvodaya.
We are already in negotiations with them. There are friendly talks taking place. Both the teams have told they are having little financial difficulty. Therefore, we have yet not confirmed. Maybe if something works for them, they are conditionally tied up with one Zorbian group which wants to promote this tournament. If the terms of GCA and Zorbian work out, then definitely the 2 teams will be confirmed. But for us, we have a event management company which takes the tournament. It's fine. If it isn't, GPL is very dear to us.
And what about if these 2 teams also confirm, then you're looking at an 8-team format?
Yeah, definitely. I think we were trying for a 7th slot for this GPL. But if 8 comes, we will rather restrict to 7 and auction the entry fee.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fillari from Porvorim.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.